Got carrots at home? Then follow along with us for this amazing recipe. For this recipe, let's start with 200 grams of carrots. Peel and slice them like this. Next, transfer to a food processor. Perfect. Now in a bowl add 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, and whisk until smooth. Add the carrots and stir. In the processor again, add 90 grams of oats. Once the oats are ground, transfer to the bowl. Add about 20 grams of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix until combined. Next, prepare a skillet with some butter. Pour in the batter. Now, bake in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the bowl again, and add 30 grams of chocolate with 30 milliliters of milk. Mix well until it reaches this texture. When you take it out of the oven, pour the sauce over it. Finish with crushed peanuts on top of the sauce and it's ready. Carrot cake with chocolate, a classic, and now you know how to make it. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for daily recipe. Comment below if you already knew how to make carrot cake with chocolate. That's it for now, and see you next time.